Luma have launched Uni-1. It's a brand new image model, but it functions a little bit differently. Uni-1 performs really complex and structured thinking and reasoning before giving you a result, and it works in collaboration with Luma agents. As it takes time to reason, it has a look at the project and idea that you're trying to create, whether it's a short film, an advert, movie stills, or even an infographic. Uni-1 takes a second to understand what your intent is before instructing the agent to go and create it. This process rewards your creativity and focuses less on non-stop prompting, but more on creating with the intent already there for you. Aim of these features is to get your idea onto the canvas as fast as possible, and working with Luma agents and Uni-1 as a constant creative collaborator in that process. Let's dive in and I can show you a bit more. So here in Luma Agents, I decided I wanted to design a house. I wanted to look at the architecture of a very modern house in a pretty surreal landscape. The intent of this is that I wanted to create a very short spec ad for this house. I wanted to get different angles of it in different environments. I was setting that as a tone at the beginning. Luma Agents was using Uni-1 here to give me multiple different angles of the scene, but also changing the composition of the sky, of the environment as well. I could experiment and ideate here whilst getting different shots of that exact same house for my spec ad. Because it already knows what I'm trying to do, it's so easy to prompt. I can just keep asking it for different things, potentially in different aspect ratios, and guide it to say, hey, I want a closer shot of this, a wider shot of that. I don't need to keep pre-contexting it. It knows exactly what I'm trying to build because this is the project that we have set, and it goes through and tries to create the best shots for me. What's really impressive as well is sometimes it will create something that it doesn't like. And there's a little thumbs down button that you can see in red here, and that is when the model itself has created something. It takes time to reason and check it, and actually says, you know what, this is not a good shot. I'm going to try and redo it again. And this process is so helpful because you can learn how the model is thinking, and you can also keep instructing it and keep thinking while it's just focusing on doing the work already at hand. Working in this way is, I think, a real step forward for creativity because you can focus more on the fun part of creating something rather than being bogged down in the prompts. Actually working with an agent as well with the power of Uni-1 means it's something that's always thinking, and you can just focus on being fully creative in that story. You don't need to branch out. You can just keep dumping different things for it to do, and it will go and experiment and get those results for you. Really looking forward to diving more into Uni-1. I got some more examples coming out really soon.